About a week ago, we already covered DEXRP and their ongoing pre-sale on this channel, but today we focus more on what they do exactly, their long-term vision as a roadmap, and the potential that they have, not just as a pre-sale coin, but how they position themselves in the market. Market is doing pretty much the exact same thing. It seems like for the past couple of weeks, whenever we reach like 112 or 113,000, that it goes back down. There's a pushback, which kind of just gives you more time to accumulate more and more until things eventually go up a lot more. Fear and greed is at 41. I think it was at 50 last week, so going pretty good, because the more fear there is, the better it is for you to position yourself. XRP is still number 4, top 5 in crypto. Now, while XRP itself is one of the biggest coins with over 168 billion in market cap, there isn't that much built for it. So with the DEXRP, we are looking at a next-gen decentralized exchange on the XRP ledger, where you can trade fast, pay less, stay decentralized, built for the XRP community. For that, they have an ongoing pre-sale on their sites. They were also featured in Forbes recently, as well as on Cointelegraph. They were also mentioned in Decrypt over here, and also had 2 audits done on both coins sold as well as on solid proof. In short, for these two, everything in here is great. Nothing bad seemed to happen. There's no threat that showed up. 0 issues, whether it's high risk, medium, lower, informational. And while they did raise over 5 million at the time of this article being released over here on August 23rd. We're now at the end of the first week in September, which means if we open the pre-sale over here real quick, we see that we're closing in on $6 million. We're at 5.93 million right now in the pre-sale alone. Now, there are a lot of different stages in here between initial stage, with the price being 11.5 cents roughly. The next stage, the listing price of 35 cents. So at any stage that you join, there's pretty much a guaranteed 3 to 3.5x until listing price. And I think last week this was at 9.8 cents, something around that line, which means you would have had almost 20% gains in that time alone compared to the last price with the current price. But then again, it's still more than a 3x until the launch at 35 cents in the future. Also, a week ago, the staking pool went live, which means once you purchase the token and you head over to staking over here, you get an estimate of 14.5% APR on your tokens just for holding them, which means if you are a pre-sale token holder, so pretty much you buy the token, you can lock those tokens in the staking contract before the token generative event, which means you get additional yield distributed out of the TGE along with vested tokens. For the future, there are going to other stages as well, with more pools and flexible terms, additional utilities within the DEX itself, community-driven governance, and also partnerships that expand these staking opportunities. And with them being mentioned in Forbes over here, it not just helps with awareness and marketing, but also solidifies on what they are building. Well, it's more of a, you could say, general informative article over here where they talk about DEXs in general and what they do, as well as the issues that happen often with poor execution quality, limited integration, and so on and so forth. They then explain that, in this case, speed and cost are just part of that, as well as the innovation in the hybrid model, in which both AMMs as well as order books are integrated together. And if you think about what they've raised so far and how many people joined the pre-sale, which is closing in on 9,000 people alone over here, coupled with the fact if we search for any of the big DEXs on other chains, for example, where we have Uniswap being worth, I think at the peak, $12 billion last bull run over here. Actually 21 billion, even bigger than I expected. Right now, still sitting at 6 billion. Then we have, for Base itself, just Aerodrome, which is worth $1 billion at the moment. And Base as a chain is not as big, you could say, as XRP and the community around that. So if there's going to be a successful DEX on XRP, that's probably going to be bigger than any of the DEXs on Solana as well. So we might look at multiple billions in market cap if it's being utilized and used as people expect. But we shall see what happens this bull run. First, we need Bitcoin back to at 120, 125,000, so we can roll that money into ETH, so we can then start alt season, which then kicks everything off. But when it comes to just potential alone, any type of pre-sale has the highest chance of a big return on investment. For example, when Reploy got released around a year ago, I think I mentioned the pre-sale over here when it started, so around like 30 cents, 20 cents, give or take, which then went up to $11, so about like a 50 to 100x depending on the stage that you bought it in shortly after launch. If you would have bought Ethereum during their ICO, which was, I think, $2.70, maybe a bit lower, I think 30 cents was, I think there were moments where it was like 30 cents where you could buy it. That would have been a pretty good investment. Doesn't mean you have to give the money, just the whole mindset around that. Because if you put in, let's say, $100 into Bitcoin, this needs to go to 220,000, or in other words, this needs another $2.2 trillion for your money invested to double. While a pre-sale, which might be worth, let's say, 100 mil in market cap, only has to go to 200 mil in market cap for you to double. basic math, that's how it works. Plus, what also happened recently is that the SEC and Ripple end their appeals in the lawsuit that happened behind it, which means it's not a security. They closed the legal dispute, so XRP can go up even more. It should probably go to at least like $10 this run, if not 20. I would think so. They also already partnered and have a couple ongoing partnerships with C-Wallet, Micro3, WOW, and a couple others and more to be announced. And at a stage right now where more and more people look into pre-sales as they have the highest chance and return on investment that you can get, with I think almost all the videos I covered in the last 2 months alone were mostly pre-sales, as those seem to be more and more popular now. It's a pretty good time. And with the president being crypto friendly, where I think Trump mentioned the billions of dollars that get invested into crypto, and I think his son Barron, he runs the World Liberty Fund as well. There are lots and lots of things that get invested on by the government, by people in crypto, by people that want to join. And if you want to join as well, let me show you how. Top right corner, you connect your wallet. You can use any of the ones shown over here. In my case, MetaMask. You can also use Solana. Hit connect, and you will then have the option in the join pre-sale section over here, for which I also have a link down below, to select a token and a chain. Let's say, for example, you want to pay an Arbitrum because you happen to have money on there. Obviously, you need to add that to your MetaMask first. Otherwise, go with whatever you have in the moment. Let's say you have USDT on ETH. The most basic thing we can think about, you would put in $50, that would give you 435 tokens. And depending on how much you invest, there's also an additional bonus. For example, if you do 150, there's a 3% bonus. If you put 250, there's a 7% bonus. But that seems to be maxed out at 2.5K in total already. Now you can also add my referral code in case that doesn't show up immediately. Link for that is down below. There are also direct purchase addresses down there we can simply send money to, which also works. And then you will see that there's a leaderboard as well. And depending on how many tokens you buy, there's an estimated bonus that you get for that as well. Which means if you feel like putting in over $73,000, you could get the second place and get 60K in bonuses alone, which is not bad. Now again, for the current price, it's about 1/3 of the listing price, which means if you put in $100, that's worth a bit over $300 at launch. Tokenomics we covered in the last video. Here is an overview real quick. Most of the public sale is already sold out. So about 25% of tokens are for the public sale, like 80 something plus percent are already sold. Roadmap is looking solid with lots of things planned for the future. And if you want to read about that in more detail, links to everything in the Forbes article and so on and so forth down below. If you got any questions, let me know and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.